Low back pain or sciatica? If you are having pain, numbness down your legs, weakness, or loss of range of motion that's preventing you from driving, sleeping, or being able to perform your everyday activities, and this pain is making you feel helpless or depressed, you must read this. Here are some tips that can help make you better fast. A lot of the conventional treatments such as tylenol, steroid injection, and heat ice are temporary and can mask the pain but don't get to the root cause. And they can be harmful with prolonged use. This problem requires releasing tension and pressure from the muscles of the lower back and hips, and then strengthening those muscles to facilitate proper movement and function. And if you ignore it, you could end up potentially requiring surgery or injections. The pain could increase to the point where drugs don't help anymore. Then you might be told that you need an injection, and that could make things worse. One quick tip for you is performing the piriformis stretch by sitting with a good posture, crossing one knee over the other, and pulling your knee towards your opposite shoulder and holding the stretch for 30 seconds. One reason why I'm sharing this with you is because I know many people who have experienced some sort of low back pain in their life. That has been very frustrating and debilitating. I do not want to see anyone's pain worsen or their overall health deteriorate due to a very treatable condition. With a little instruction, I am confident that you can be on your way to recovery and back to enjoying your life with pain-free movement. Some of the most common causes of this problem are poor posture, muscle strain, or trauma. Here's what one of my patients had to say. "Thank you for giving me my life back." If you are serious about wanting to get better quickly, sign up for my free class on how to stop the pain on your own from home. This is what you will learn. 1. 3 simple stretches that will lead to amazing pain relief. 2. The number one thing you need to know about getting back to normal. 3. The treatments you need to avoid. 4. The 3-step fastest methods to getting better quick. Get your free pass to the low back pain and sciatica class now by clicking below or calling 541-479-6936.